Hi, this is Jim Cramer, and I'm with our energy expert, Dan Dicker, who also recently wrote Shale Boom, Shale Bust, and knows this space. Dan, we're kind of in limbo. I see this $60 range. Don't know what to do with it. Go lower than 60, buyers come in, but sellers come in big at 61.
Yeah, and there's lots of reasons for both, and I've found this to be a very uneasy equilibrium, and lots of reasons why it might stay here for a while. And yet, I think the takeaway, maybe we don't bury the lead here. The takeaway is that $60 doesn't help anybody. It doesn't resolve anything in the patch, and it doesn't resolve anything for investors in the patch. I mean, lots of reasons why oil is here. I mean, we see that there's a little bit of demand going up, a little bit of production coming down in the Bakken particularly. That tends to drive oil higher.
But Iraq coming on, Iran we're talking coming on, it is quite obvious to me that that's overwhelming versus the Saudis pumping. You would think it would be at 50. It's not going there.
Driving oil, that should drive oil lower. So this is a very uneasy equilibrium, one that surprised me. I've thought that we were headed for, again, a retest of the lows here, and we may still be. I do know that there's a lot of commercial hedging that will need to be done at 65 if it gets there. And that's why you see the slam on prices as it gets towards 62. There are real sellers out there that need to sell oil at 65. Break-evens allow them to do that when they get there. And that will keep a lid on oil for a while yet.
Now, we are buying Occidental fractionalersplus.com, but part of that is because we know it's got that 4% yield. So, I mean, worse that happens, it goes to 5%, we buy more. I like yield here, even though I know interest rates have ticked up.
And you know, I've been telling people in my columns on Real Money almost, I mean, and it's a boring thing to tell them, that now is the time to keep your powder dry. This limbo price in oil, it's not good for anyone. It doesn't develop value like you would in the 40s. And it doesn't generate big numbers in profits like you would if oil was in the 70s or 80s.
Sometimes the best thing to do is nothing. Thank you so much, Dan.
Thanks, Jim.
Appreciate it.